Dear students, let's learn new topic called percentage. Before we start the topic, let's understand the meaning of percentage. The word percent means per hundred or for every hundred It is represented by a symbol percent. This is the symbol of percentage. It is represented by a symbol percent. Now let's understand more about percent. Suppose I am writing 25%. I am breaking this 25 per and cent. 25 means 25. Per means out of, or you can say upon, over. Cent means 100. So 25% means 25 out of 100. 25% is equal to 25 out of 100 or 25 upon 100. Or you can say 30%. 30 parts out of 100. So in percent, every time the denominator is 100. Any numerator of a fraction with the denominator 100 is known as percentage. The term percent means for every 100. Now let's understand some basic rules for the percentage. Now first basic rule is expressing percent as a fraction. We are going to learn expressing fraction as a percent. So let's learn this. We are going to understand how to convert fraction into a percentage. Normally, in each and every class, when you get marks in test or exam, you always find out percentage. Suppose you get 45 marks out of 50 and you want to convert this into a percentage. To convert this into percentage, we multiply by 100. We multiply by 100. So it is equal to 90%. In the same way, if we want to convert fractions, ratio, decimals into a percentage, we will multiply the given term by 100 and put the percent sign. Now first is 3 by 8. If we want to convert this into a percentage, we'll multiply this given term by 100 and put the percent sign. So let's do the cutting. 25 4s are 100 or 4 25s are 100 and 4 2s are 8. So it is 75 by 2%. That is equal to, you can write it into mixed fraction or you can write into decimal forms also, 37.5%, or you can write 37:1 by 2%. Look at the second sum. 1:3 by 5. This is mixed fraction. Convert this into improper form first. So it comes 8 by 5. Now to convert this into percentage, multiply by 100 and put the percent sign. So here again I will do cutting. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, it is 20 and 28s are 160%. Now look at the second rule. convert the ratio 16:25 into a percentage. So first, how can we write ratio? Ratio can be written in the form of fraction only. It is 16/25. Now we want to convert this into a percentage. We will multiply by 100 and put the percent sign. So here 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. So it is equal to 64%. Look at the third one. Convert here decimals into a percentage. Now to convert any term into a decimal, we are always multiplying by 100. So 0.6 will be multiplied by 100. So we will shift decimal 2 points. So here it becomes 60%, or you can remove the decimal and do the multiplication of numbers. 0 cancel with 0 and it is equal to 60%. You can do in this way also. Now look at the second part. 0.005. We want to convert this into a percentage. So let it be multiplied by 100 and put the percent sign. Again, how many times this, how many digits this decimal shifts? It will shift 2 points. So here it comes 0.5%, or it can be written as 1/2%, or first you can write 5/10, 5/10%, or it can be written as 1/2% also. You can straight away put the decimal, or you can solve it by removing the decimal. Here it comes 3 zeros in the denominator. When we remove the decimal, multiply by 100, cancel the zeros. Again here we are left with 5/10%. You can do with any of method. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.